Hello, welcome back to Curls by Sharlene. Today I am trying the Noughty Hair Curl Scrunching Jelly for curly and wavy hair. I love their name. They always say it's so good, it's naughty. And literally I use their products all the time. So today I'm gonna do hopefully the perfect twist out with this product. I'm hoping my hair is gonna last from Wednesday, today's Wednesday, all the way to Monday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 days. If we can last 7 days, I'll be very happy. If not, we have problems. But yeah, my hair is freshly washed. I deep conditioned, proper gave my hair a good clean. And now we're on to the styling process. Directions on here actually say, coat damp curls. Evenly distribute onto lengths and ends. Scrunch dry with a diffuser or leave to air dry. Color may vary due to natural extracts. That shows how good this product is. They use natural ingredients. Water is the first one, glycerin, citrus, orange leaf oil, perfume, lemon peel oil, sea fennel. Let's begin. I have sectioned my hair. I do 3 in the front and then I work from the back going forward. I always re-wet my hair because this hair, it needs moisture all the time. There's no two ways about it. Moisture, moisture, moisture. It smells like the shampoos and conditioners. It's nothing special, but that's the consistency. Oh, it's very thick. Oh, it is quite thick. Look at that. Yeah, okay. Wow, that's very thick. I wasn't expecting that. That's a good sign. Oh, wow. Okay. Uh-huh. This side. Oh, yeah, I need more. The slip is decent. Very, very good. It feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel too sticky. The smell is fresh, not strong at all. It feels very watery, which is strange because it's a thick product. It's very strange. But anyway, this is what it looks like with a brush. But I'm gonna do twists. So get a bit of it here and twist. That's all I'm doing. Already, the pros, there's great curl definition. Look at how my curls define. I know it says scrunch. My curls get frizzy when I scrunch them. Why? Is it not enough water? Not enough product? No matter what I do, scrunching just doesn't work with my curls. I don't know what it is. I think I'm missing the trick to scrunching my curls. Another pro, there's no flakes. Nothing. I know it leaves this white residue, but it disappears within seconds. The minute my hair absorbs it, that white is gone. Look at that definition. Oh my goodness. This is what it looks like twisted. Okay, those are my twists. This is no product. I want to try to see what it looks like when I apply this the way it says you should apply it. So, rake it through. I'm gonna brush it as well. And then it says to scrunch. What? Looks good, eh? Looks real good. Okay. I will try a straight wash and go next time. But this doesn't look bad at all. And as you can see, I'm doing a 2-strand twist. So I'm going to do a twist out. All you do is start from the root, separate your hair into 2 and twist. That is it. And then when I get to about 3/4 of the way, I just do finger curls. So the bottom of my curls are proper defined. It's just how I like to do twist outs. Look at the difference, yeah? I have some cons. This is not the strongest hold gel I've ever used. If you prefer hard gels or hard casts, this one is for wavy hair. It's a lightweight product. 3B, not even, I'm a 3B, 3A, 2C. If you want to use this product, I suggest using another product with it. So I used this product and then I did the praying hands method over with extreme gel, and that's what made the curls last all week. I was too scared to just try this, but I think you'll be surprised if you do a twist out with just this gel. I honestly think it can last. It lasted me all week and my curls were still going. Like, I didn't even want to do my hair. That's how good the curls were after 8 days. It's ridiculous, right? And the other con is, if you're doing a wash and go, this might not last you unless you're refreshing after day 2, like that kind of thing. I don't think it's that bad, but I'd say maybe day 3, day 4, not day 2. That's extreme. A quick pro tip. You can apply this on extremely soaking wet hair to get amazing definition. My hair isn't soaking wet. I'm straight out the shower, but with no products, my hair starts drying. I have re-wet it with a spray bottle. So I've sprayed it, but it's not soaking wet, if you know what I mean, not drenched. And I'm getting this much definition. So if your hair is extremely wet, can you just imagine? Phenomenal. This product, you're sleeping on this product if you haven't used it, and it's cheap. Even brush styling looks amazing. Look at that. My goodness. I wonder what this white residue is, but oh yeah, it's amazing. Here are the ingredients for you. And guess what? It's got glycerin. So this is actually good for humidity. There's a key ingredient that you always want to look for when you live in a humid country. It's called polycortinum 11. This one, let me tell you, it's good for humidity. Write this down. If you find that, you want to try their product. And yes, look at the definition. It's amazing. I thought, let me give it a try. And you know what? It looked good. I was shocked. It still looked good. Their claim is that this lightweight curl scrunching jelly, see, it's definitely lightweight, adds definition. Yes, for lasting flake-free hold without the crunch. Yes. Wow. Or stickiness. See, Botanicals combined with copolymers help hydrate and add shine for frizz-free waves and curls. Look at that. Of course, it's singing its praises, and I agree. It does exactly what it says it should do. My type 3 curls absolutely love this product. It absorbs, it makes my hair soft, the definition, the curls, like I'm having no problem whatsoever. And then to dry, I diffused my hair, obviously, because twist outs take a bit longer and I don't want my hair to stay wet throughout the day. The wet results look amazing. Like, I almost wish they could stay like this, but you know, I like volume, and of course it's not good to have your curls wet for a long period of time. It can cause problems. So I diffused my hair on low heat for 30 to 40 minutes. Yeah, it takes that long, and twist outs might even be longer, but that's as long as I diffuse. And then I tie my hair in scrunchies, put a bonnet on. I have an afternoon nap, for an hour and a half, and then it's dry. Now these are the results from day 2. I know it looks a bit of a mess, but just wait. I haven't loosened my twist outs. So I get some jojoba oil, rub it in my hands, and just massage the scalp to seal the cuticles. And my scalp actually loves this jojoba oil. So I only do this on day 2 because I want to make sure my twist outs are completely dry. Otherwise, I don't loosen them, because the minute you start loosening twist outs that are wet, the frizz, you can't reverse it. You'd have to start again. Now I'm loosening the twist outs and the definition. I know the scalp seems like it's not as defined, and that's what I want, because I want volume at the scalp and definition on the length of my hair. That's how I like it. If you want it different, you will need to do your twist outs tighter and use a stronger hold gel. But this is a light hold gel, so these are the results. I'm happy. Day 2 looks like this. It can only get better. And if you want soft, natural hold with great definition without the crunch. This jelly is the perfect option for us type 3 curls. I'd say it's perfect for wash and goes or layering it with other products, but I haven't tried that out yet. I've only tried Twistouts, and the results speak for themselves. Now this is day 5. My goodness, look at how good these curls look. Yeah, there's a bit more frizz. Yeah, the volume's not massive, but the definition is still there and it's still actually presentable. Like, I didn't refresh at all. I would highly recommend this product. Definitely. I'm going to use it again, and the price is so affordable. Have you tried Noughty's curl jelly? Let me know your experience in the comments. And if you're looking for more honest curly hair reviews, you need to hit that subscribe button and join the curl family. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.